Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. On this channel, all news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded up to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. AI Xrp New News Update. According to information obtained from Law 360, a prominent legal news outlet, issues pertaining to payments related to previously injected XRP liquidity have led to a legal dispute initiated by US fintech giant Ripple. The lawsuit involves Ripple's Singapore-based subsidiary, Ripple Labs Singapore Private Limited, and their legal action against GCC Exchange, the entity responsible for a widely used foreign exchange and money transfer application. The lawsuit alleges that GCC Exchange has failed to fulfill its payment obligations for the transfer of XRP liquidity undertaken by the Singapore-based firm. The amount in question totals nearly €13.8 million, equivalent to $14.9 million, as reported by Law 360's correspondent, William James. Ripple's claim centers on GCC Exchange's purported failure to settle invoices related to more than 40,000 transfers of XRP units that were successfully executed under the terms of a supply agreement. Consequently, this breach of contract has strained the previously established partnership between GCC Exchange and Ripple Labs Singapore Private Limited, which was forged in 2022. In its legal action, Ripple is seeking compensation for the outstanding invoice amount along with accruing late fees, which are continually accumulating. This lawsuit, as outlined by Law 360, was officially filed in July 2023, but remained undisclosed until recently. Both Ripple and GCC Exchange have refrained from providing comments on the ongoing legal proceedings. It is worth noting that Ripple has initiated this legal action in the High Court of Justice of England and Wales. GCC Remit, a subsidiary brand of GCC Exchange specializing in cross-border remittances, operates across 100+ countries and offers a payment API module tailored for merchants. In a separate development covered by You Today, Ripple Inc. achieved a significant legal victory on July 13, 2023, in a U.S. court. The court ruled that Ripple Labs Inc. had not violated securities trading regulations when selling XRP tokens on exchanges to American citizens. This landmark decision marked a pivotal moment in Ripple's nearly 3-year-long legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Following the announcement of the court's ruling, XRP's price surged by more than 70%, reaching levels not seen since mid-February 2022. However, as of the present moment, XRP's price has retraced to levels reminiscent of its pre-surge status. Furthermore, in August 2023, the SEC sought judicial approval for an expedited appeal regarding XRP's classification as a security. AI Xrp New News Update. The financial world has been closely monitoring Ripple's native cryptocurrency, XRP, especially in the wake of its significant legal victory against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Following this triumph, XRP experienced a remarkable surge of nearly 65%, briefly touching 82 cents. However, it has since encountered a setback and is currently trading around the 50 cents mark. This decline is notable considering XRP's all-time high of $3.40, which it achieved in January 2018. Consequently, a burning question on the minds of crypto analysts and investors is whether XRP can not only rebound but also establish new records in the years ahead, paving the way to a milestone by the end of the decade. Changelly, a well-regarded firm specializing in on-chain metrics and price predictions, has presented an optimistic outlook. Based on their data-driven model, Changelly anticipates that XRP could attain a substantial value of $10 by the conclusion of 2030. Such an achievement would represent an astonishing return on investment, ROI, of approximately 1,900% compared to its current valuation. Furthermore, Their projection suggests that XRP may finally breach the $1 barrier by 2024, potentially reaching a peak value of $1.26 during that year. Nonetheless, it is crucial to exercise caution. Cryptocurrency markets are inherently volatile, susceptible to various external factors such as macroeconomic influences, regulatory changes, technological advancements, and more. Therefore, while Changeli's forecast paints an optimistic picture, it's essential to acknowledge the counteracting forces that could alter XRP's trajectory. The cryptocurrency landscape is marked by its dual nature, capable of rapid ascents and steep declines, underscoring the need for prudent investor behavior. Despite XRP's current price of 50 cents and a modest 24-hour trading increase of approximately 1.2%, it still lingers significantly below its historical peak, by as much as 85%. Changeli's predictions offer more than mere numerical projections. They provide insight into the potential factors that could drive XRP's value over the next decade. Nevertheless, these forecasts should not absolve investors of the responsibility to conduct thorough due diligence. In the unpredictable realm of cryptocurrency markets, informed caution is just as valuable as unwavering optimism. Xrp New News Update. Kaiko, a prominent cryptocurrency research firm, has highlighted that XRP has struggled to sustain the gains it made following a significant legal ruling and has experienced a decline of over 25% in August, putting it behind other leading alternative cryptocurrencies. In July, XRP witnessed a surge in value following a U.S. court ruling that clarified its status as not being a security when traded on secondary markets. However, maintaining these gains proved to be challenging. Throughout August, XRP's price declined by over 25%, lagging behind the performance of other major altcoins as traders opted to secure profits. Kaiko recently published a research report to shed light on the reasons behind XRP's inability to maintain its upward momentum. The report indicates that based on the average share of sell volume for XRP, Upbit, the largest Korean exchange, and OKX saw substantial selling pressure, while Coinbase recorded higher buying activity over the past month. As of the time of writing, XRP has not displayed signs of a significant comeback. The setback coincided with a broader market retreat, driven by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, postponing decisions on several exchange-traded funds, ETFs, until October. XRP's price remains lower as of now, with a modest increase of 0.15% in the last 24 hours, bringing it to $0.502. XRP has returned to a period of tight trading range, resembling the consolidation pattern it exhibited just before its notable surge on July 13, which occurred shortly after the legal verdict. Currently, XRP faces a challenge in establishing stability above the daily moving average, MA, at 51 cents, a level that holds the key to potential further advances in the cryptocurrency's value. If bullish momentum manages to surpass the immediate hurdle at 51 cents, the next level of interest may be around 62 cents. Despite the summer's relative calm, Kaiko has observed a positive development for XRP, which experienced significantly higher trading activity compared to other altcoins. Over the previous month, XRP maintained an average transaction volume of $462 million, surpassing the next two largest altcoins by trading volume, SOL and BNB, which recorded $128 million and $121 million, respectively. Xrp New News Update. Ripple's protracted legal battle against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is approaching a critical juncture, one that could have far-reaching implications for the cryptocurrency regulatory framework. The lawsuit, presided over by Judge Torres, is currently in the midst of a suspenseful appeal process, leaving investors, regulators, and legal experts eagerly anticipating the outcome. A developing legal saga. With the impending Friday deadline, SEC attorneys are gearing up to counter Ripple's opposition filing. Given the intricate legal complexities outlined in the filing, the SEC's legal team faces a high-stakes challenge. The manner in which Judge Torres approaches this case could potentially set a precedent, much like her scrutiny in the grayscale appeal case, shedding light on the SEC's authority and regulatory boundaries. The motion for an interlocutory appeal, initiated by the SEC, stands at a pivotal crossroads. Legal experts are closely monitoring the SEC's response as it holds the key to whether an interlocutory appeal is deemed appropriate. Following the SEC's response, Judge Torres is expected to deliberate on the motion, a ruling that could either reinforce her prior, programmatic sales, decision or pave the way for potential appeals. Some observers, including John E. Deaton, anticipate that Judge Torres is likely to reject the motion while addressing earlier remarks by Judge Rakoff. In the midst of this unfolding legal drama, Ripple's XRP token has demonstrated resilience, registering a 0.73% gain and closing at $0.5083 on Monday. However, the cryptocurrency market remains jittery as it closely monitors two concurrent legal battles: Ripple's lawsuit against the SEC and Coinbase's motion to dismiss MTD. A favorable outcome for Coinbase in its case could herald a new era of cryptocurrency regulation, potentially undermining the SEC's approach to Ripple. These simultaneous legal challenges indicate a turbulent road ahead for SEC Chair Gary Gensler and the agency itself, which is currently embroiled in multiple high-stakes lawsuits. The prospect of waging legal battles on multiple fronts could lead to criticism from U.S. lawmakers, intensifying scrutiny on the SEC. In this backdrop, investors are advised to keep a watchful eye not only on the SEC's forthcoming response, but also on developments in the SEC versus Coinbase case. These parallel cases have kept XRP in a range-bound pattern, reflecting investor caution ahead of pivotal court decisions. A definitive response from the SEC regarding Ripple or a ruling favoring Coinbase's MTD could significantly alter investor sentiment and reshape the broader regulatory landscape. Xrp New News Updates. A recent prediction by a member of the XRP community, known as Burning Stars, has generated significant interest in the digital currency space. Stars' forecast suggests that XRP could potentially reach values of $50 or even $100. This prediction is rooted in comments made by Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, CTO, David Schwartz, regarding the role of digital assets in challenging the dominance of the US dollar as the world's primary reserve currency. In the complex world of international finance, a reserve currency plays a crucial role in global trade and exerts influence over other currencies. During a live session, Schwartz discussed the transformative potential of digital currencies as potential future world reserves. Although he did not explicitly mention XRP, this provided fertile ground for speculation within the cryptocurrency community, particularly among XRP enthusiasts. The speculation revolves around Schwartz's suggestion that a scenario where digital assets challenge the dollar's status could create a new class of crypto millionaires. The math behind the price surge. Burning Stars' prediction hinges on the idea that for the average XRP holder to become a millionaire, XRP would need to reach price levels of $50 or $100. Given XRP's current price of around $0.5069, a jump to $50 would require an extraordinary 9,763% increase, and an ascent to $100 would demand an even more astonishing 19,627% price surge. While these figures may seem staggering, Stars argues that they're achievable if XRP were to play a pivotal role in the global financial system. Naturally, the prediction has encountered skepticism. Critics point out the implausibility of such massive gains in a saturated and highly volatile market. However, Stars counters this skepticism by emphasizing that many within the XRP community remain optimistic, believing that the utility and adoption of XRP in real-world applications could indeed drive such valuations. Stars also cautions against the spread of FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, by certain actors in the crypto space, suggesting that these individuals might be quietly accumulating assets while discouraging broader participation to maintain a competitive edge. Meanwhile, Ripple CTO David Schwartz has been cautious in his statements. While his earlier remarks have sparked bullish discussions about XRP, it's important to note that Ripple has refrained from discussing XRP as a potential world reserve currency for some time. In summary, while David Schwartz's theory regarding a world reserve currency has sparked speculative fervor, it remains speculative at this stage. The cryptocurrency world eagerly awaits concrete developments to validate these ambitious price predictions for XRP. XRP New News Updates. The native token of the Stellar blockchain, XLM, is currently exhibiting a unique price action that defies the typical trends seen in the broader cryptocurrency landscape. Recently, XLM successfully surpassed the 12 cents resistance level, a significant move that hints at a potentially pivotal moment for both the asset and the Stellar blockchain itself. Market analytics firm Sentiment has drawn attention to the possibility of a larger breakout looming on the horizon for XLM. This development has captured the full attention of experienced analysts and eager speculators alike. The crypto community is abuzz with curiosity as Stellar has teased a massive reveal scheduled for September 12th. Stellar's cryptic social media message, "Gear up for a change that has us all thrilled. Stay on your toes," has ignited a flurry of speculation. Furthermore, Sentiment's observation that XLM is seeing regular shorting activity adds an intriguing layer to the growing fascination with the Stellar market. This increased shorting activity potentially sets the stage for a price surge driven by liquidation, further adding complexity to the evolving narrative surrounding Stellar. In summary, XLM's recent price movements and the upcoming massive reveal have sparked significant interest and speculation within the cryptocurrency community. The unusual market dynamics surrounding XLM have piqued the curiosity of both seasoned traders and those eager to decipher the next chapter in Stellar's journey. AI Precious Metals New News Update. Gold and silver prices are experiencing notable declines in midday U.S. trading on Tuesday. The metals market is under pressure due to a robust U.S. dollar index and increasing U.S. Treasury yields. As a result, sellers are currently dominating the market. December gold is currently down $14, trading at $1,953.10, while December silver has dipped by $0.582, reaching $23.975. The downward pressure on precious metals is compounded by discouraging economic data from China. China has reported less than optimistic economic figures, with its Caixin Services Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, for August coming in at 51.8, compared to 54.1 in July, and falling short of expectations, which were at 53.5. The Caixin Composite PMI for August also stood at 51.7, down from 51.9 in July. Weaker economic data from China is signaling reduced demand for raw commodities, including metals, which has added to the bearish sentiment in the metals market. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.